Okie dokie.
Give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man, now I got dirt in my wheel.
I thought it was just a preview, and I didn't realize I was paying for it. TT.
And you're feeling lonely, lost and let down.
See ya, soldier! Come on by Sergeant Surplus Hunt for all your government surplus needs!
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have...
Rookie has won the Piston Cup.
Yes!
Great number! Was McQueen's idea. He felt Hud would have wanted you to have it.
This guy.
Cut the cut.
You got a lot of stuff here.
Thanks, Doc.
Strategia. Francesco needs no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen.
Excuse me, mister.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil companies got a grip on the government. They're feeding us.
Thank you, Mel. It is very, very good to be here. Now listen to me. Big oil. It costs a fortune. Pollution is getting worse.
Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like this in years.
Well,
victory in him before retirement.
He's been Danico's golden boy. De Chick Hicks. Soy su amigo el pasado y por siempre campeón de la Copa Pistón, Chick Hicks.
Thomas's boiler bubbled with excitement.
This would be a very good hat for the children's snow.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.